Guys, welcome to another episode. Most of you have been asking me, can I make money in crypto if I have $100 in my Binance portfolio? Yes, the answer is you can make money via the HIVE Liquidity Program. Remember that if Binance does not work in your region, I have made other videos in regards to other liquidity pool programs where you can make money. So you can visit my pinned videos and also get to check them out. This means that you can use other major exchange crypto platforms such as Bybit, as you can see in my pinned videos. Without wasting much time, so let us get started. As you can see in my portfolio, I have 104 USDT worth of crypto. Making money in liquidity programs is very easy as there are only 3 steps to follow. So be keen as I guide you through the steps. The first step, as you can see, I have 104 worth of USDT. The first step is to convert the USDT into the HIVE coin. So as you can see, I will click on the USDT coin. I will click on convert USDT to crypto. So as you can see, I've been provided the USDT option. So I will choose I will search for the HIVE coin and select the HIVE coin. I will select the maximum amount because I want to make maximum profit from what I have. I will preview my conversion and confirm it. And as you can see, I have converted 103.9 USDT, which is equivalent to 448.87 worth of HIVE. With that being done, we've already completed step 1. So as you can see, I am going back to preview, and as you can see, I have now 448.87 worth of HIVE coin. So we'll proceed to the second step, and the second step is copying the memo. And how do I copy the memo? So as you can see, I will select on the HIVE coin. I will click on add HIVE. On other Binance exchanges, you can see the add HIVE as the deposit and the send as the withdraw. For me, I will click the add HIVE or deposit. I will click on on-chain deposit. I will select on the HIVE network, as you can see. And as you can see, I have been provided with the network, the deposit address, as well as the HIVE memo. So here, the thing that you need to note is we need to copy the memo. And remember, the memo is very important because this is what will be used by the HIVE Liquidity Program company to send back to you your profits. So you need to ensure that the memo is copied correctly. Remember, I repeat again, what I am copying here is my HIVE memo and not the company memo, because this is my memo that will be used to send back to me profits from the company. So as you can see, I will copy, and the copy has been successful. And with that being done, you are done with the second step. So I will go back after copying the memo and go straight to the final step, which is depositing into the Liquidity HIVE program. So as you can see, I will select on the HIVE coin, and as I told you earlier, you can see sometimes the add HIVE as the deposit, the send as the withdraw, but the transfer remains the same. So for my case, I will click on send or withdraw. I will do an on-chain withdrawal. So you need to be very keen, as we have been given with the withdrawal page. This is where you need to be very attentive so as to ensure that you input the correct address so as to be able to deposit to the liquidity program successfully. So in my case, I will input the address, which is HexaSafe HIVE. So you need to be very keen. As you can see, I have input the address. You need to double check the address because this is what matters when inputting to the liquidity pool program. So the company address is the HexaSafe HIVE. As you can see, the network has already been matched successfully. So we will proceed to the memo. Remember that we copied our memo, and just to remind you once again, this is my memo or your memo that will be used to send back to you your profits from the company, and this is not the company memo, this is your memo. Everyone has a different and unique memo depending on the wallet that you are using. So I will proceed now to input the memo. As you can see, it has been inputted successfully, so I will proceed now to withdraw because I want to make maximum profit from the 104 USDT that I have, so I will input maximum. You can double check the address as well as the memo before you withdraw. As for my case, since I have input everything correctly, so I will proceed to withdraw. I will confirm. You can also check again. You can see your memo, the address, then proceed to confirm. So as you can see, I have been provided with a security feature by Binance, and this happens to all when withdrawing any crypto. So I will click on continue and proceed to the final step. So as you can see, I have verified my withdrawal. I will view on its history. And as you can see, it is still processing. So with that being done, this is the final step. So we await for the withdrawal to be confirmed. So as you can see, I will keep on refreshing and awaiting for the withdrawal to be confirmed. So as you can see, I have refreshed and the withdrawal has been successfully completed, meaning that my deposit into the liquidity pool program is successful. So I will go back and check on my assets, and as you can see, my balance is 0. So now I await to receive my profits from the HexaSafe HIVE Liquidity Pool Return Program. So upon completing the withdrawal to the liquidity pool program, you only need to be patient because you will receive your profits in less than 10 minutes. So as you can see, I am still refreshing and awaiting to receive my profits. As you can see, I have received the notification that the return of profits has been successful, and my balance, as you can see, is 113.15 USDT, which therefore means I have made a profit of around 10 USDT from a single transaction of 100 USDT. So this is just but an example. As you can see from my previous videos, I have been working with huge amounts of money such as 1,000, 1,300. But since most of you asked me if I have 100 USDT, can I make profit in the HIVE liquidity? And yes, this is a video for you, so you can check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me out via my DM. You can also message me on Telegram, and also you can also get to message me via WhatsApp, and I will get back to you within the shortest time possible. Thank you and have a lovely trading day ahead. So guys, with that being done, see you on the next episode. Remember to like, share and leave a comment on the video. Thank you.